Mustang Coupe. All right, so I'm actually in the Mercedes area. I did not realize that we came here and looked at a car on Thursday, and I didn't look at the expanse all around me, but this is a pretty impressive setup for Mercedes. Don't change the dial, just look at the new cars. It's 2019, there's gotta be a little bit of interest in Mercedes-Benz, okay? Somebody out there's gotta love Mercedes-Benz. I personally think they are awesome, and also BMWs. The Germans design they're so technical that when they design things, that they're really, really well thought out, especially in the interiors, in my opinion. All right, so we're gonna do a pan, and I'll show you a couple of the cars in the Mercedes area. This is the S550 4MATIC, starting at $104,000. Mercedes-Benz at the Philadelphia Auto Show. And I got to show you the interior because I was just complimenting the Germans on their interiors. And I'm going to try to come around here for a second. Excuse me again. One second. And there is a beautiful interior. It is. The Germans just, you know what I mean? The Mercedes always has a gorgeous interior. They really think it out.
This is my favorite.
Yeah, and that's her favorite. So there you go. Oh, you see, it's you. Close the door. Okay, close the door.
No, I want a picture.
Come on.
I'll take a picture.
Oh, there's glass on it. Darn it. Anyway, there's a typical Mercedes driver.
Yeah, for real. Really.
Can I put you on video because you're a race car driver?
I'm not a race car.
See this? Go ahead. Tell me the story one more time about the kids thinking you're racing when you go with the car you're
I have
in.
an S60 and the kids think I'm racing.
Just because you're just driving home?
I'm just driving home from the airport at the middle of the night.
That's how fast you drive. Hopefully no police officers are watching this video.
And I'm at a light and I just hit go and the kids think I'm racing them.
Right, so now she's thinking about an S500 right here. So she's going to be racing in. You're going to have to get maybe some numbers on the side of it or something. But you don't want to do that, then you'll be outed. Thank you. There's an S500 starting at, what, 71,000, right? 69,800, that's what this car starts at. And this is an S500. It's got 350 horsepower, right? A little bit more? A little bit more. 350 horsepower for around $70,000. Brand new Mercedes. And of course, once again,
Your options will put another 13,000.
you can add 13,000 to it if you want to by putting in options. But there you go. Oh, thank God there's a cup holder in the back. I'm just kidding. There it is, guys.
Cup holder in the front, that's all we care.
Yeah. A gorgeous interior once again by the Germans, making beautiful Mercedes cars. That is a fast convertible.